Here I am at the cabin. Today is September 12th. What I'm gonna do today is build a couch, and also I'm gonna hang some curtain rods and curtains in the living room. So that's what I'm gonna focus on today. Let's see if there are any rats inside. And I bought a bunch of stuff from the thrift store coming here, like this lampshade. I may just recover this, but it's too bad. And of course some country stuff for decoration. This is like a wall hanging for candles, supposedly. I can refinish that. And there's a bunch more stuff in my car. And I got my curtain rods and the curtains. Got some cute shelf, again with the goose or a duck, whatever that is. Got some ropes, little box and hangers. So the whole thing cost $15, the whole entire lot. This is so cute. I couldn't believe this was like $2. So cute, perfect for me. I'm gonna put it in, obviously, into a corner. I think I'm gonna maybe put it here at the door, or maybe put it into this corner. We'll decide, but it's sure it's cute. I don't even have to refinish this. Looks very nice. So my couch, I started building that years ago, and this wood pile has the wood required for it, and I actually already pre-cut some of it, and then I need some 2x4s that does not need to be cut. And I think, oh yes, so the sides for the couch have been already made. Again, years ago. I gotta clean this up. And so all I have to really do is screw this together, mostly, and then stain it. And then it's done. So excited about that. And I don't know if I'm gonna have time to put any lights up, but I wanna really put up the curtain rods because that's gonna really look good. Stay tuned. So I put up one of the curtain rods. I started with this one because it's a little bit weird because I don't have space on that side. I just wanted to kind of see how far I have to bring it out. On this side, I think that looks good. I'm gonna go and hang the curtain now. So here's the curtain. Looks pretty good. Very country style, country cottage style. Definitely good. Homemade curtains. Not a big deal. So this is what it looks like when it's closed. When the sun is shining too hot. Yeah, that looks really good. Now I'm gonna do that one. And now we got 2 curtains up. They look great. I love those curtain rods. And now I'm gonna put this one up. The third one is finished. All the curtains are up in the living room. So I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna start on the couch. So looking good. I finished the couch. Here it is. I just need to stain it. I have the stain ready to go. I'm gonna have to probably just sand it a little bit. But it looks pretty good, I might say. And it's very comfortable. That's my view right now. I don't know if this is gonna stay here or not, but I'm gonna need a little coffee table here. Those little tables, they're gonna be just side tables. I just put them together for now and put a plywood on it, just to create a sort of a dining table. And then we're gonna be building some kitchen cabinets, just lower cabinets, and probably a dining table as well. So I think the couch is gonna go over there. That's where the couch is gonna be. And the dining table is gonna be where I am right now, sitting right now. And the other thing I want to do is these wicker chairs. They're really old. First of all, the legs need to be fixed. And then I'm gonna spray paint it something bright. Probably just white. Something like that. So I got a lot done. This looks really good. I accomplished everything I was gonna do today. I'm gonna head home. It's 5 o'clock. Next time I'm here, I'm gonna build something else and keep making the place prettier. I did clean this pile of wood up a little bit, recovered it. There's a bunch of ends in there, and there were holes in the tarp, so I kind of folded it so there's no holes anymore. I'm gonna put this up front. It's gonna go onto the gate, and that's pretty much it. It's a very cloudy day, and I'm gonna have to take care of this big pile of trash when I come back. And there's just so much to do, but definitely made a really good progress. That's how it looks like right now. It's almost looking homey. Very nice. See you next time.